All right, about the fish Texas Kayak Bass League today. This will be my second tournament of the year with them. They have a great tournament trail. If you live in Texas, definitely check them out on Facebook and online and stuff like that. But about to get on. Hopefully we do good today. I know the spawn is on, so we're going to fish kind of shallow today in the flats and stuff. Hopefully catch a big one and put her right back so she can spawn. So let's get after it. All right, guys. Had a kind of an interesting late start this morning because of I forgot to grab my 360 paddle right here, and I can't move this kayak without it. So yeah, thanks to my wife, she's a saint, drove all the way over to where I was because I had to wake her up this morning to bring it to me. So thank you, babe, appreciate that. Yeah, I didn't want to make that phone call, and everyone knows that phone call what it would have been like. But yeah, thank you. But it is right now almost 7:30, so I had a 40-minute late start. I don't know how far I am behind right now, if anybody has caught them, because I haven't checked the leaderboard. But yeah, I see them right here where I launched at. See them jumping. I'm gonna sit right here for a minute. Why go find fish when you're at fish, right? So we'll sit here just a minute, see if I catch them, and move back into the cove, see if I can find any spawning bass. So all right, let's get to it, right? All right, calm down. All right, calm down, man, calm down. Hey, got it on that Ragnar monster bass. Alright, give me 12 at least. Yeah, 12 and a half, baby. Got 12 and a half. Alright, good stuff. Almost 13 inches. 12.75. All right. Hey guys, I want to show you using that monster bass rod and monster bass lure, the Ragnar. I mean, not Ragnar, the Patriot, sorry. This is the Patriot. There you go. If you guys are wanting to pick some of those Patriots up, go to Monster Bass website and use my code COTTON20 and you will get 20% off. All right, so going back at it. Hopefully you get a little bit bigger, but definitely we got on the leaderboard. That was number one thing. We didn't get skunked today. We got on the leaderboard. All right, let's get back at it, right? See you guys in a bit. Oh! Oh man, no. That was at least 13, 14 inches. Oh, man, oh man. I should not have turned him around like that. I couldn't. Man, oh man. Well, back at it, right? Jeez almighty, man. You gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? You're wrapped around the other GoPro? That Patriot is getting it done though. I've had 3 hits on this thing this morning. Good walking bait, good walking bait. Around this little branch. Should have been throwing my my weedless wacky worm up there where those fish were. Man, probably could have had a hit or something. I don't know what that was. Could have seen because of reflection of water. Oh, looks like that dude over there just may have had one and it got off too. They're just not aggressively hitting it. They're just smacking at it. Whew. That's a good fish. Alright. That's a good fish. Alright, guys. On that Patriot. Guys go up on the Patriot. All right, let's get her measured. There we go. 16 1/4. Woo, girl. All right, there you go. Bye. Thank you. 16 1/4. All right. I think that was her that just splashed behind me. Oh, the Ragnar. I mean the Patriot. Oh, the Patriot. Keep wanting to say Ragnar. Ragnar's another good a good bait. Always check your line after you catch a fish. Definitely. You don't want to keep throwing it if it's all freighted. The line's all frayed. Alright, let's back out of here. So we are on all kinds of crap in here. Alright. Trying not to spook the fish up close here. Go back out, reset, turn around. All that goodness. Alright, update. Came back way back in this cove. Super shallow. I used to fish this area back when I first got my boat years ago. I haven't been back here in a long time, but it's super shallow. It's only about 1.5 feet in here, and there is no fish in the back. Where I caught those fish earlier is out in the main channel coming back towards this way. So I headed back out that way, and I am going to try to probably go a little bit deeper. Now that the sun's up, I don't know if they're going to hit this Patriot, but you know, it's worth a try at first as soon as I get back out there, but I may have to go a little bit deeper. I don't want to resort to plastic, but if I have to, I will. This way. It's super shallow that way. But yeah, that's the update, man. Just trying to head back out. There's a couple guys up here, but I don't think they're catching anything. Sounds like something got caught up in the motor. I don't know. There we go. Get it cleared out just a little bit. Alright. So I guess I'll catch back up to you guys here in a little bit. So see ya. Alright. So what's happening is that everybody is like all over the place during this tournament, and because there's 90-something people. Thing is, we're so crowded in limited space that we can venture out because we're in a kayak, of course. So we're fighting for spaces and places that have already and maybe not been fished. Frustrating. But the thing is, you gotta try to find out where these fish are, stay in that area, and try not to make animosity between everyone while you're fishing, because there's so many of us. That's why it's aggravating. But it's also a fun time because you're out in the water. So I got 2 that you've seen. I'm on the board. Third one, well, the second one that I got a hold of got away, so I would have had 3. But got a boat coming up behind me. But I'm trying to get back into this one area, fish it, and see how I do. So see what happens. Catch you guys in a minute. He was accompanied by another one, but I couldn't get him. But there you go, a little smallie, nice one. I got him on that white chatterbait. I was about to leave out of here, but I decided to stick around. Glad I did. You know what? I'll submit it here in a little bit. I'm like drifting, and it's going into my good fishing spots right there. All right, get turned around here. That smallmouth was a feisty little fella. Feisty. It's all good though. I got him. All right, time to get back at it. Sorry I couldn't show him me reeling in, but he hit this thing quick, man. All right, I'll catch you guys here in a bit. So I switched up the lures. I took off the Patriot, put on a Strike King Walk the Dog lure. Very similar to the Patriot. This has a heavier knocker in it. Still have 3 on the board. Remember, I missed that one. I gotta keep reminding myself not to do that again. Or I would have had 4 on the board. I wish I had some of the Monster Bass Ragnars. That's a really good bait. But, you know, the Patriot and this one will do. Had a little bitty hit over there. A little bit of a hit. I don't know if you guys seen that. Oh, I see some shad jumping really shallow up here. Hold on. This might get interesting. It's kind of hard to get to. Let's see here. Got obstacles in the way. I was trying to get a fish. I'm on this little flat right here. It's really shallow. It's probably only 2 foot deep, something like that. Good spot for fish to spawn at, because just on the other side of those trees right there is a big drop off. Okay, so headed to the house now. It's over. Well, what can I say? I just didn't get the inches, kayak inches in today, but lost 3, caught 3, 1, no, miscalculated. I got 6 total, yeah, 6 fish total, I think. 2 got away, and the thing is, it's like they were up shallow, like I said earlier, but
they would only hit sporadically. Like they wanted it really, really slow. And I don't know. I guess they're too busy making love, I guess. They're not hungry. They want something else. But anyway, give it my all. Good tournament. Appreciate all my sponsors for helping me do what I do. And also, I want to say congratulations to the guys who did place and won some money. So, congrats, guys. Guess I'll see you guys next tournament, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So, see you later.